You said 5 o'clock, now it's 5:23. The rain taps soft on the glass in front of me. 2 cups of coffee, one growing cold. I'm still pretending I'm not losing hope. Streetlights flicker, couples pass. I watch the steam rise from your glass. I stirred in sugar, just how you like. Wondering if you'll come tonight. I count the seconds, play your name on the window, trace your face again. It's been a week, it's been a year, but I still wait like you'll appear. I'm waiting at the cafe, like time forgot my name. With stories in my pocket and a heart I can't explain. Maybe you're caught in traffic, or maybe you're letting go, but I still wait for your shadow through the candles' fading glow. The waiter asks, still just for one. I fake a smile, she's almost done. It's funny how I know the script of being left with hope that slips. The playlist plays that song again, the one we called our weekend hymn. It hurts to hear, but I don't move. I stay right here, lost in your groove. A drop of rain runs down the glass like every